the importance of knowing that the mainstream media lies about vaccines cannot be overstated. In recent years, the debate over vaccine safety and efficacy has gained significant attention, with many individuals questioning the information presented by mainstream media outlets. It is crucial to recognize that the mainstream media often perpetuates misinformation and lies about vaccines, which can have severe consequences for public health and individual well-being. One of the primary reasons the mainstream media lies about vaccines is due to their close ties with pharmaceutical companies. These companies spend millions of dollars on advertising and sponsorships, which creates a conflict of interest for media outlets. As a result, the media often presents biased and one-sided information about vaccines, downplaying potential risks and exaggerating benefits. This can lead to a lack of informed consent among individuals, who may unknowingly subject themselves to potentially harmful vaccines. Furthermore, the mainstream media often relies on flawed and incomplete research while reporting on vaccine-related issues. Many studies cited by media outlets are funded by pharmaceutical companies or have other inherent biases, which can skew the results and lead to misleading conclusions. For instance, a study may claim that a particular vaccine is safe and effective, but upon closer examination, it becomes clear that the study was designed to produce a specific outcome. The media rarely, if ever, digs deeper to uncover the truth, instead opting to regurgitate the same talking points and sound bites. The consequences of the mainstream media's lies about vaccines can be devastating. By presenting a distorted view of vaccine safety and efficacy, the media can contribute to the erosion of trust in the medical community and the spread of preventable diseases. For example, the anti-vaccination movement, which was fueled in part by misinformation and lies about vaccine safety, has led to outbreaks of diseases such as measles and whooping cough. These outbreaks can have severe consequences, particularly for vulnerable populations such as the elderly and young children. In addition, the mainstream media's lies about vaccines can also have a profound impact on individual freedom and autonomy. By presenting a narrow and dogmatic view of vaccine-related issues, the media can create a culture of fear and intimidation, where individuals who question vaccine safety or efficacy are ridiculed and ostracized. This can lead to a lack of critical thinking and a failure to engage in nuanced discussions about vaccine-related issues, ultimately undermining the principles of informed consent and individual choice. It is essential to recognize that the mainstream media's lies about vaccines are not limited to a single issue or topic. Rather, they are part of a broader pattern of deception and manipulation, where the media presents a curated narrative that serves the interests of powerful corporations and governments. By acknowledging and challenging these lies, individuals can begin to break free from the grip of misinformation and propaganda, and instead engage in a more informed and nuanced discussion about vaccine-related issues. Ultimately, the importance of knowing that the mainstream media lies about vaccines lies in the pursuit of truth and the protection of individual freedom and autonomy. By recognizing the flaws and biases in mainstream media reporting, individuals can take a more critical and nuanced approach to evaluating information about vaccines. This can involve seeking out alternative sources of information, engaging in critical thinking and analysis, and advocating for a more transparent and accountable approach to vaccine development and distribution. By doing so, we can create a more informed and empowered community, where individuals can make decisions about their health and well-being based on accurate and unbiased information, rather than the lies and misinformation perpetuated by the mainstream media.